Hello students, today I am discussing Animal Kingdom Class 11 Chapter number 4 NCERT Questions and Answers Very Short Answer Type Questions Part 2. Welcome back once again in your biology class. This is Nowsin and you are watching your most favorite channel Educational Support. So my dear lovely students, are you ready to crack your board exam? So let's get started. Question number 1 is identify the phylum in which adults exhibit radial symmetry and larvae exhibit bilateral symmetry. So Echinodermata mainly is the phylum in which adults exhibit radial symmetry and larvae exhibit bilateral symmetry. For example, starfish, because symmetry is an attribute of an organism showing regularity in body parts on a plane or around an axis. Question number 2 is what is the importance of pneumatic bones and air sacs in abyss? So pneumatic bones are hollow and hence are lightweight. So this helps in weight reduction. And air sacs are continuous with lungs so that extra air can be filled in air sacs. So this provides buoyancy and thus pneumatic bones and air sacs are flight adaptations in birds. Question number 3 is what is metagenesis and mention an example which exhibits this phenomenon. So the phenomenon of alteration of generation between sexual and asexual mode of reproduction is mainly called metagenesis. So this phenomenon is exhibited by obelia in which polyps produces medusa asexually while medusa produces polyp sexually. So both the forms are diploid in metagenesis. Hence, it is the false alteration of generation. Question number 4 is, what is the role of feathers? You know that feathers are the epidermal growth that forms distinctive outer covering or in bloods. Following up the role of feathers are in birds are, they create airfoil shape for wings. This provides lift during flight. They help in maintaining body temperature and they play important role in maintaining the mating system. Question number 5 is which group of chordates possesses sucking and circular mouth without jaws? So class Cyclostomata is compared of the living jawless fishes and their mouth is mainly circular and lack jaws. So hence they are called aganathus. So it works like a suckers and is surrounded by tentacles and these are also possesses retractable horny teeth. Question number 6 is give one example each for an animal possessing placoid scales and that with cycloid scales. So you know that placoid scales are hard and microscopic in size and their body is made up of dentine and exposed surface is covered with enamel. So placoid scales are the characteristic features of the cartilaginous fishes, for example Prestes, Trigon, Torpedo. But cycloid scales are strong and extremely flexible. They are large, oval and made up of isopectin that are layer of collagenous fiber. So cycloid scales are found in bony fishes, for example Labiocatla, Clarias, etc. Question number 7 is mention 2 modifications in reptiles required for terrestrial mode of life. So there are certain characters acquired by reptiles for the terrestrial adaptations. 2 of them are their bodies covered by dry and conified skin and epidermal scales. Number 2 is fertilization is internal. Question number 8 is mention one example each for animals with chitinous exoskeleton and those covered by a calcareous cell. So, in multicellular lower organisms, the shape of body is maintained by certain biological materials like chitin and calcium substances. Because every living form maintains a proper shape, size and structure. So, chitinous exoskeleton is the characteristic features of arthropods. For example, cockroach, whereas calcareous cell is present in mollusca, for example, snail. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and turn on notification. So tata, bye bye. See you in the next video.